How to fix liquid detected alert. So if you want to fix your liquid detected alert or iPhone won't charge, then here's the fix. When your iPhone's charging port or lightning cable gets wet, it triggers a liquid detection alert. You'll see two options: dismiss and emergency override. By selecting dismiss, you will clear the alert, but your device will not change until the charging port or lightning cable is completely dry. You can also use the emergency override option to charge your iPhone, but be cautious as it poses a risk to your phone. It is advisable to try other methods first. If your iPhone or Lightning accessory has gotten wet, follow these steps. First, you need to disconnect all cables and accessories from your device. Avoid using external heat sources like hair dryers to dry your iPhone. Don't insert objects like lightning connector. Don't put your phone in a bag of rice. It's not recommended. If that's not the problem, then cleaning your charging port can be a good start to resolve the issue. There could be dirt inside that is causing your charger to malfunction. You can carefully use a toothpick or any other non-metal material to clean your port. For detailed instructions on effective drying methods, you can refer to the guide that is provided on the Apple support page. Apple recommends leaving your iPhone in a dry area with some airflow for approximately 1 day. If you suspect that the lightning cable is causing the error, use a towel to dry it. Make sure to remove any water trapped between the metal pins. Sometimes the liquid detection alert may only appear when using a specific cable, so try using a different lightning cable to see if it resolves the issue. If you have a wireless charger, you can use it to charge your iPhone instead. In certain instances, the liquid detection alert can be triggered by a device glitch. Performing a forced restart on your device might help resolve the issue. For iPhone 8 or newer methods, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down button respectively, then press the hold side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. But if you're using the older iPhone model, you can refer to the Apple support page to know how to force restart your device properly. And these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.